It sounds like the stock market really liked what it heard from Donald Trump this morning. Also, Xi Jinping of China, both leaders making positive but slightly vague comments about the relationship between the United States and China in terms of trade.
We saw an instant reaction in the markets. Eamon, I was sitting on set when this happened. You just have to look at an intraday chart of Caterpillar, for instance, to see that spike up.
In a series of tweets Tuesday, Trump said he wants to reach a deal with China, but if that fails, Trump declared, quote, "I am a tariff man." Stocks dropped more than 3% across the board, the Dow tumbling 800 points, the Nasdaq slumping nearly 300 points.
From President Trump, the president tweeted just minutes ago, "Had a very good telephone conversation with President Xi of China. We will be having an extended meeting next week at the G20 in Japan. Our respective teams will begin talks prior to our meeting." And after that encouraging tweet about potentially some good news on the trade front, you are seeing that stocks are getting a bit of a bump.
Earlier Friday, the U.S. president tweeted an order to American businesses: move supply chains out of China immediately. The tweet still spooked investors. The Dow Jones closed more than 2% down. The tech-heavy Nasdaq index was off by 3%.
The stock market reacting positively after news of that U.S. and China trade agreement.
That's why you are seeing so much green across all of the indexes.
Stocks plunge as Trump's tariffs kick in, including a 104% levy on China. Former Treasury Secretary Larry Summers tells us tariffs could push the U.S. into a recession, potentially putting 2 million Americans out of work.